back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make personal pizzas.
Beautiful.
Come check these out. We used to make these at our restaurant, and they were a big hit. We used to make dozens and dozens of these pizzas every day. Nightmares about it. But anyway, we have all kinds of pizzas. This is so much fun for the kids. Like we have a birthday party, you pre-make all the shells, and then they put all the toppings on the pizza. Very safe. It's just a matter of you doing the preparation ahead of time. All right. Oh, as a
I'm
matter
good
of
for about 3 of those at least.
as a matter of fact, our granddaughter, Kyla, she was here a couple of weeks ago and we had a little pizza party like this and she had a great time. We took some video of her making those pizzas. Hi everyone, here's my granddaughter Kyla. She's gonna show you how easy it is to make these personal pan pizzas for your next birthday party. All right, Kyla, go ahead. Make a pizza. Okay. First thing, what are you doing now?
I'm gonna take the sauce.
Very good. Oh, spread that all around. Very nice. Very nice.
Looks like tomatoes like all crunched together and stuff.
Yeah, the crushed tomato. It's really good. Oh, very good.
How's that?
Beautiful.
Okay.
All right. Now, what are you going to do next?
I'm gonna put cheese on.
Yeah. What kind of cheese is that? Do you know?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's called mozzarella. Can you say mozzarella?
Mozzarella.
Very good. All right, now put all the cheese you want on there.
Ooh, it's
Very
going everywhere.
nice. That's okay.
And I'm not so sorry about this.
Oh, that looks really good.
That's
Hey.
a chunky piece.
Yeah, it's okay. Perfect. All right, now what else you want to put on there?
I'm gonna put some pepperoni so it's pepperoni pizza.
Oh, very good.
Just put them around like that.
Yeah. Let's cover that up.
Oh man, looks good.
Very
And
good.
then one more in the center.
Perfect. And that's it, right? Was that easy or what?
That was pretty easy.
Do you think this would be great for a birthday party?
Yeah.
Have all your friends make their own pizza?
Yeah.
All right. All right. We'll see you guys later. We're going to start cooking these pizzas. All right. We're going to get started on these pizzas here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and grease our pans with that garlic butter mix that I made. Thing, get that garlic butter all over that pan so that dough doesn't stick. All right, now we're gonna get our dough ready. You can actually get this dough recipe on our channel. It's the New York style dough. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it into thirds. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right in the pan. You don't have to spread them out all the way now because it's kind of difficult. We're going to go ahead and let it rise. Probably better just to stretch it over here. And then place it right in your pan. All right, now I went ahead and I heated up the oven just a little bit because I want to have the proofing process done real quickly. Because if you just leave it out, it's going to take about 2 hours to rise before you can stretch it again. So what I did was I turned the oven on 350 for about 2 minutes and then I turned it off. Make sure you turn it off. Then we're just going to go ahead and place these inside the oven. Right. Now we're just going to let those rise. Now we're going to go ahead and get all of our pizza toppings ready, including the pizza sauce. Now we're gonna make our pizza sauce. I'm using some crushed tomatoes. I like Cento brand. It's a pretty good brand. You can find this in just about any grocery store. Went ahead and rinsed the can out. Just get that tomato out of there. Probably about 4 tablespoons of water. Now we're gonna go ahead and add about a teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of granulated garlic, teaspoon of dried basil leaves, about a tablespoon of olive oil. And we're going to go ahead and mix this up. And we're going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes prior to you making your pizzas. And that's it. New York style pizza sauce. This is the pizza sauce we used at our restaurants. Nice. All right, it's been an hour now. The dough is nice and risen. Check that out. Double in size, sometimes almost tripled in size. I'm going to show you how to stretch these out. Just gently stretch your dough across the pan, form a little crust around it, just like so. And then I went ahead and I diluted some pizza sauce, like 1 part pizza sauce, 2 parts of water. This helps it stay moist on top while it's continuing to rise. Beautiful. And that's it. Now we're going to go ahead and put these back in the oven for another hour. Let them rise, and then we're going to go ahead and cook them. Okay. Last one. Rinse it out. A perfect amount of diluted pizza sauce. All right, look at all these pizzas. Now we're going to put them back in the oven and let them rise another hour before we cook them. There we go. We'll let them rise another hour. Now we'll be good to go. All right, it's been an hour. The dough's ready to be baked right now. I got the oven set on 500 degrees. I'm gonna cook 4 of these at a time though, because I don't want to let them cook unevenly, at least for the first step. We want to get the crust a little golden brown on the bottom. So what I did was I went ahead and moved this rack, the second one from the last. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put 4 pizzas in, and then we'll let them bake. We're gonna let them bake for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be back to check them. All right, let's check these pizzas out. Oh, my glasses got fogged. Let's see how it looks on the bottom there. You want it a little lightly golden brown. There it goes. It's going good.
Right, because we got to cook them again.
Yeah, we got to cook them once more time. Let me take these out.
Yeah, those look good.
And we'll cook 2 later. I cooked them for about 12 minutes.
Okay. All right, we got some beautiful 9-inch pizza shells we made here today. This is going to be really good.
Yeah. Now, all of our pizza shells are ready. Now for the fun part. I mean, kids love doing this.
No, the fun part is eating. What am I making?
We're going to make all kinds of pizzas today. Hey, check out the ingredients. We have pepperoni. We got some Italian sausage that I picked up from
Sausage.
Jimmy's food store. Fresh mozzarella. I went ahead and halfway cooked or fried the bell pepper. And also, I went ahead and sauteed the mushrooms. It has a whole lot of more
Some
flavor.
onions,
Yeah,
fresh
some onions.
mozzarella,
Yeah, I mean,
some regular low moisture mozzarella.
yum, yum. Beautiful. All right, now let's go ahead and start putting these pizzas together. I mean, it's so easy. All you do is put a little scoop of sauce on there, put some oregano, and then
You have to have oregano with pizza.
yes. And then we're gonna go ahead and just put some cheese on there. You can put as much cheese on there as you'd like. I mean, it's your personal pizza. And then this one, we're gonna do pepperoni. But I'm gonna add something which is trending right now, what I wanted to try, I've not tried it yet, was people are putting spicy honey on the pepperoni pizzas now, and they absolutely love it. So I thought we'd give it a shot today. We got one down. Onion. You want to slice the onion really thin. It will cook on the pizza. So you want to make sure you slice that really thin. There we go. We have a little combination pizza. All right. This is a margarita pan pizza. Put some sauce on there. A little extra sauce on there. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the fresh mozzarella. And that's it. And then when it comes out of the oven, we'll go ahead and put some fresh basil on it. All right.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna start cooking these pizzas.
Oh, man.
We can actually fit 8 here now because the
Beautiful.
bottoms are cooked perfectly, and all we have to do really now is brown the crust a little bit more and melt the cheese and cook all the ingredients. All right, come on down here, honey. I went ahead and moved the racks to the very middle, so this way they don't burn on the top, nor get too cooked on the bottom. All right. Now we're gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and check them.
And then we're gonna eat.
And we're gonna eat. All right. We actually had these pizzas cooking for about 20 minutes. I mean, if you're gonna fill up the oven with pizzas, it's gonna take a little longer to cook them all.
That looks good.
Oh, look at that beautiful pizza.
Looking good. Oh, man. I'm gonna stack 3 of them up like pancakes.
Oh, look at that mushroom pizza.
Yeah, that one looks good.
Margarita. All right, first we're gonna take the margarita. We're gonna finish off the topping. So we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on there and some fresh basil. And this one is done. Take it out. Oh, look at that pizza. Go ahead and cut it out. Hit a crunch. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Oh, man. All right, that one is done. Now we're gonna do the pepperoni and that special touch with that honey or chili infused honey. Just gonna drizzle a little bit on that there. Oh, look at that, beautiful.
Looks good.
Look at that cheese. Oh, yeah. All right. We need some sausage and peppers and mushroom, sauteed mushrooms. There you go. All right. Man, look at all this pizza. I'm going to try this pepperoni with the infused chili honey.
Very good.
Wow.
The sausage, try sausage.
Hmm?
Sausage.
I will.
You like the sausage, Ma?
Yeah, this is from, what's his name?
Jimmy's.
Jimmy's.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Delicious.
excellent sausage. Yeah, Jimmy's is in Dallas. He's over on Bryant Street.
Great deli.
Yeah, he's got lots of Italian specialties, pastas, cheeses, meats, wine, you name it.
Really good.
Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
What's next?